चलो तो स्टार्ट करते हैं सर आज का। एग्जैक्टली 81 पीपल विल जॉइन लेकर, फिर हम स्टार्ट
Perfect.
करते हैं। या ओके, सो टुडेस टॉपिक इज अबाउट अबंडेंस, लॉ ऑफ अबंडेंस हम लोग आज देखने वाले हैं। एंड बेसिकली आई वांटेड टू नो फ्रॉम यू कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बेसिकली अबंडेंस। अबंडेंस का मतलब क्या होता है?
आप ही बोलो।
ओके, नहीं बोलती थी, एक सेकेंड। हाँ,
Something which is much beyond our own imaginations, which you can receive at any moment. Your voice is not coming.
okay, something which is large in quantity.
Beyond, yes.
हाँ,
I mean, you cannot quantify that things.
okay,
Abundance, you cannot count. That is an
right,
innumerable.
right सर, बिल्कुल। एक मिनट, सर यहाँ पे कुछ तो बड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया है। मिनट। ओके, सो लॉ ऑफ अबंडेंस बेसिकली होता ये है कि दे आर बेसिकली अ सेट ऑफ बिलीफ व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू योर पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग। नाउ according to the law of abundance, you are likely to be successful if you think you will be, and this mentality of this abundance which will help you to achieve your goal। अगर हमने abundance के बारे में सोचा और हमने ये बिलीफ लिया हमारे लाइफ में कि व्हाट वी बिलीव वी रिसीव, सो अवर इनर लैंडस्केप मिरर अपना जो आउटर लैंडस्केप होता है। सो अगर हमने सोचा कि इफ वी बिलीव इन लैक देन वी एक्सपीरियंस समथिंग लैक, इफ वी बिलीव इन अबंडेंस देन वी बेसिकली एक्सपीरियंस अबंडेंस। तो अगर ऐसे सोचा हमने कि अबंडेंस हमें हमारे लाइफ में चाहिए, ये हमने अगर बिलीफ लिया हमारे लाइफ में, तो डेफिनेटली वो पॉजिटिव होता है और आगे जाने के लिए हमें हमेशा मदद करता है। तो मैं आपके साथ ना टुडे आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू सम ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी अबाउट एक बिलीफ की मैं आपके साथ एक स्टोरी शेयर कर रही हूँ। नाउ दिस इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ रॉजर बैनिस्टर के स्टोरी है। इट्स अ 4 मिनट माइल वाली स्टोरी है। नाउ ये स्टोरी इज अबाउट विच वाज हैपन इन द मॉडर्न ओलंपिक्स 1954 में हुआ था। नाउ नोबडी हैड रन अ माइल दैट टाइम, दैट इज इट माइल व्हिच वाज अबाउट 1609 का जो जर्नी था ना, वो अभी तक 1954 के ओलंपिक्स के पहले नोबडी हैड डन दैट। व्हाई? बिकॉज doctor, scientists and sports people used to give a reason you can't run a mile in less than a 4 minute. Why? Because you will be have something lungs को आपको your lungs are not big enough, और आप अगर दौड़ोगे ज्यादा then you will have a heart attack and so on reasons ऐसे डॉक्टर्स बहुत सारे दिया करते थे। now so everybody's talk was what कि I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do it. Now there was a person who came from an England, name is Roger Bannister. Now he was a student of the sport and he always say that yes I can do it, I can do it, मैं करके ही इसको दिखाऊंगा। now ये रॉजर बेनिस्टर का जो कोच था ना, उसने भी इसको बोला कि हाउ यू कैन डू इट, तुम खुद भी ये जो माइल वाली जो जर्नी है ना, वो तुम खुद भी लेस देन 4 सेकेंड्स में नहीं कर पाती हो। तुम्हारा खुद का रेटिंग ये है कि यू डू दैट ऑलरेडी इन 4 मिनट्स एंड 11 सेकेंड में करते हो, देन हाउ विल यू डू इट। नाउ रॉजर ने कहा कि नो मैटर व्हाट हैपन, व्हाट एवर डॉक्टर्स है, साइंटिस्ट है, जो भी बोलेंगे ना, स्टिल आई विल डू इट। नाउ इस बंदे ने 1954 के ओलंपिक्स में ये प्रूव करके दिखाया कि दैट पर्सन रन वो लेस देन 4 मिनट्स में, उसने ये जर्नी करके बताया। उसका जो रिकॉर्ड था विच वाज 3 मिनट 59 सेकेंड। नाउ ये जब साइंटिस्ट, डॉक्टर एंड सबने बोलने के बाद भी हाउ दैट पर्सन डिड इट, व्हाई, बिकॉज उसका बिलीव था, उसने अपने मन में ये जो सेल्फ टॉक का जर्नी था वो हमेशा एवरीडे बोला करता था, यस आई कैन डू इट, आई कैन डू इट। एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड दैट वो ईयर में 1950 में ही मेड अ रेफरेंस पॉइंट। क्या उसने रेफरेंस पॉइंट बनाया कि लेस देन जो 1609 की मीटर की जो जर्नी थी वो लेस देन 4 मिनट में हो सकती है एंड एवरीवन कैन डू इट। उसी साल और एडिशनल 2 रनर ने सेम जर्नी लेस देन 4 मिनट की वो जो जर्नी थी वो पार की। एंड द वेरी नेक्स्ट ईयर 235 पीपल ने वो बैरियर पूरा तोड़ दिया एंड एक अपना खुद से सेल्फ टॉक करके वो रॉजर बेनिस्टर को एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट बना के वो जो जर्नी थी वो पार की। नाउ इसका मतलब ये अच्छा ये हो गया कि हम जितना खुद से सेल्फ टॉक करेंगे, हम खुद के ऊपर जितना बिलीव करेंगे ना, उतना हमारा जर्नी हमेशा अच्छा होता है। सो रादर देन लिसनिंग टू एवरीवन, वी शुड लिसन टू आवर ओन टॉक। तो हमें हमारा एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट बनाना चाहिए कि हम लाइफ में एक्चुअली क्या कर सकते हैं एंड हम क्या बिलीव कर सकते हैं। So this is the story of Roger Bannister की मैंने आपके साथ शेयर की। The next thing is that now what are the 5 important things जो हमें law of abundance हमेशा करवाता है। The first thing is that you can have everything in life if you want। हमें जो चीज लाइफ में करनी है ना वो हम कर सकते हैं। Now we have we live in an abundant universe in which there is a sufficient money for everyone who really want it, and there is actually ample of money who knows then how to acquire it। अगर हमें यूनिवर्स में देखा जाए तो बहुत सारा मनी है, लेकिन द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज हमें पता होना चाहिए वो प्लेंटी ऑफ मनी किस तरह से हमें लेना है, किस तरह से हमें कमाना है। व्हाई? बिकॉज we live in a generous universe where we are surrounded all with the blessings। हम opportunities के साथ घेरे हुए हैं and हमारा attitude always define करता है। Like our attitude towards the abundance will define you whether we want to live in a scarcity or whether we want to live इन मतलब कितना ग्रोथ में हमें रहना है। तो और जैसा हम सोचते हैं ना इसके बारे में, दैट विल हैव अ मेजर इम्पैक्ट ऑन वेदर वी बिकम रिच और वी बिकम पुअर। वो हमेशा इम्पैक्ट करता है। द सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू मेक अ डिसीजन। सबसे पहले हमें क्या देखा कि हमें जो हम चाहिए वो चीज हम एक्चुअली पा सकते हैं। दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है यू हैव टू मेक अ डिसीजन। नाउ द फर्स्ट पॉइंट अबाउट द लॉ ऑफ अबंडेंस is that people become wealthy because they decided to become wealthy, and people become poor because they decided to become poor। उनको wealthiness की चाहिए उनको जब, क्योंकि वो उनमें खुद में वो क्षमता है कि वो बिलीव खुद के ऊपर कंप्लीटली करते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वो एक एक्शन खुद के ऊपर करते हैं, कंसिस्टेंसी उसमें हमेशा करते हैं। दैट इज द रीजन दे आर वेल्दी। एंड पुअर पीपल हमेशा वो अप्लाई नहीं करते, वो एक्शंस नहीं खुद पे लेते, दैट इज द रीजन दे आर पुअर। The third important point is that you have to examine your own thinking. Now, there's an important question that we have to ask to yourself is that why I am not rich and why I don't have a sufficient money to fulfill my dream। हमें ये खुद को क्वेश्चन बार बार पूछना चाहिए that if I want to reach, what can I do। ये आंसर हमेशा डिफाइन करता है, ये रिवील करता है, इट रिवील्स लॉट अबाउट अवरसेल्फ। नाउ माय आंसर विल एक्सपोज माय सेल्फ लिमिटिंग बिलीफ। अगर मैंने खुद के ऊपर डाउट लेना शुरू किया, अगर मैंने अगर खुद को इफ आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन दैट व्हाई आई एम नॉट रिच, व्हाई आई डोंट हैव अ सफिशिएंट मनी, देन मुझे ये पता चलता है कि मेरे जो सेल्फ लिमिटिंग बिलीफ है, मेरे जो डाउट्स है, मेरे जो फियर्स है, मेरे एक्सक्यूजेस है, मेरे रैशनलाइजेशन से, एक्सप्लेनेशन से, जस्टिफिकेशन, वो मुझे हमेशा रिवील करेंगे, मुझे रीजंस बताएंगे कि मैं एग्जैक्टली क्यों नहीं रिच हो रहा। जितना हम खुद के ऊपर थिंकिंग करेंगे, जितना हम खुद के बारे में सोचेंगे, उतना हम खुद को ज्यादा रिवील करेंगे। The fourth important point is you have to review your reasons. Now, write down all the necessary points you can think of to become a rich and you become a wealthy। हमें जैसे जैसे आंसर हमें मिल जाते हैं कि जो भी मुझे रिच होने के लिए जो जो मुझे चीजें चाहिए थे, मेरे ओपिनियंस। एंड आपको एक सरप्राइज ये पता चलता है, जब मैं खुद के ऊपर ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिसर्च करता हूँ ना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अरे ये रीजंस नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली मैं एक्सक्यूजेस दे रहा हूँ, मैं वो कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर ही नहीं निकल पा रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैं वो जो जर्नी, जो मेरे गोल्स है वो मुझे दिखाई नहीं देते, रादर देन मुझे हमेशा वो डिफिकल्टीज दिखते, मुझे ऑब्स्टैकल्स ही सबसे ज्यादा दिखते हैं। The fifth important point is you have to take a necessary exercises. Like जो मनी के जो एक्सरसाइज है, जैसे कि लेटर लिखना, मिरर के सामने खड़े रह के बात करना, ये कंसिस्टेंटली मुझे मनी के एक्सरसाइजेस हमेशा करने चाहिए, तभी मैं अपने गोल्स की तरफ अचीव करता हूँ। नाउ अबंडेंस के मैंने जो 5 पॉइंट्स बताए वो समझ में आए आपको? नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, yes, the first point I will repeat once again. The first point is you can have everything in life you want. The second point is that you have to focus everything. हमें वो scarcity mindset में नहीं रहना है, हमें हमेशा abundance mindset and growth वाले mindset में रहना है. The second point is you have to make a decision. आपको wealthy होने के लिए आपको खुद को पहले decide करना पड़ेगा, and according to that आपको act करनी पड़ेगी, आपको necessary action लेनी पड़ेगी. The third point is you have to examine your own thinking. हमारी खुद की thinking हमेशा हमें बताती है कि why I am not rich and why I don't have a sufficient balance in my account or to fulfill my dreams, my desire. ये हमेशा questions मुझे reveal करता है lot many things about myself, like self-limiting belief, my doubt, my fears, my excuses, my rationalization. नेक्स्ट इज आई हैव टू रिव्यू माई रीजन. मुझे हमेशा कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंक करना चाहिए एंड मुझे आंसर देखना चाहिए कि मेरे क्या ओपिनियंस है, और एट द सेम टाइम मुझे ये भी देखना चाहिए कि ये मुझे एक्सक्यूजेस दे रहा हूँ, मैं रीजन दे रहा हूँ क्या मैं, या फिर मैं एक्सक्यूजेस दे रहा हूँ. एंड द फिफ्थ इज दैट मुझे नेसेसरी एक्शन, मुझे वो एक्सरसाइज हमेशा करनी चाहिए. यस, कैन आई गो अहेड? हम एक एक्टिविटी करने वाले हैं. यस, गुड. अभी मैं आपको एक एक लॉ बताऊंगी कि कैसा, किस तरह से होता है अबंडेंस का लॉ. द फर्स्ट लॉ इज अबाउट अ लॉ ऑफ अ मिरर. नाउ थिंक ऑफ द मिरर. How you have to think of a mirror? It reflects exactly what you put in front of it. So whatever, जब भी आप आईने के सामने खड़ा रहोगे, so whatever your attitude, your emotions we bring into our life, it will determine the appearances exactly what we see. हम अगर मिरर के सामने खड़े रहते हैं with an anger heart, मैं मेरे चेहरे के सामने पूरा एंग्रीनेस लेके मिरर के सामने खड़ी रह रही हूँ, तो मुझे मेरा फेस एंग्री दिखेगा डेफिनेटली. बट इफ अगर मैं हैप्पी करके विथ लव मैं अगर मिरर के सामने खड़ी रहती हूँ, द थिंग्स विच आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर, देन मुझे वो हमेशा खुशी खुशी वाला चेहरा दिखाएगा. The second important point about law of mirror is we don't have to blame, we don't have to blame others for our own emotions. Like हमें किसी को, हमारा जो इमोशंस है, वो जो एंगर है, वो जो चिड़चिड़ापन है, उसके लिए हमें किसी और को दोष देने की जरूरत नहीं. The first major step that we have to do is we have to take a 100% responsibility of what I feel. And if I want a more peaceful and more prosperous life, then I have to take a 100% responsibility of my life rather than blaming to someone and something else for my problem. Now it becomes very easy, बहुत easy होता है डाउन साइड में किसी और को ब्लेम करना कि तुम्हारे वजह से मेरे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है, तुम्हारी वजह से मैं नहीं कुछ कर पा रही हूँ. बट यू नो व्हाट हैपन कि डाउन साइड ये ना मुझे मेरी खुद की कैपेबिलिटी भी नहीं जज कर बताता. अगर मैं किसी के और के ऊपर ब्लेम कर रही हूँ, तो एग्जैक्टली मुझे वो प्रिवेंट करता है फॉर नोइंग, प्रिवेंट मी फ्रॉम नोइंग माई ट्रू पावर एंड माई ट्रू पोटेंशियल. वो मुझे बताता नहीं है एग्जैक्टली क्या. Now, there is a beautiful activity mirror के सामने whenever we wake up early in the morning. जब हम उठेंगे तब हमें ये activity money की every day करनी चाहिए. Just at least spend 5 minutes in front of the mirror. What we have to do is that we have to say money के कुछ affirmations like money is a forever circulating freely in my life, or there is a always divine surplus, or I am prospering every day. आप I am growing in wealth. I am growing in wisdom. Every day is a wealthy day. Every day wealth is a multiplying. या फिर I am advancing, growing, moving forward financially. ये एक्टिविटी हमें मिरर के सामने एवरीडे करनी चाहिए, तो ही हमारा आगे का दिन भी बहुत अच्छा जाता है. Why? Because it is not what you say to your mouth that determine your life, but at the same time जो हम कानों में कुछ कुछ करते, जो whispering करते ना, that is also हमें पता चलता है कि हम actually क्या सोचने वाले हैं. तो ये एक्टिविटी है. तो everyday हमेशा at least spend 5 minutes in front of the mirror and say this 5 to 6 affirmations, and with एकदम हंस के and खुल के वो बताना चाहिए. The second thing is that ये एक्टिविटी आप इस तरह से भी कर सकते हो. इफ यू हैव अ मनी, आपके जो हाथ में ना कुछ नोट्स भी लेके आप कर सकते हो. अगर आप मिरर के सामने खड़े हो, देन 100, 200 का, 500 का, 2000 का नोट भी ऐसे हाथ में लेके ना मनी के साथ आप खुद खड़े रह के आप रिफ्लेक्शन से करके भी बात कर सकते हो, सो दैट आपको वो भी एक चीज पता चलेगी. दैट एक्टिविटी यू कैन. द सेकेंड एक्टिविटी मैं अभी शेयर कर रही हूँ आपके साथ. मैं अभी कुछ ना आपको एक स्टेटमेंट दूंगी. यू हैव टू थिंक लाइक वो स्टेटमेंट के बारे में, वेदर यू आर स्कैर्ड, वेदर यू आर लिटिल वरीड, वेदर यू आर अंडर कंट्रोल, और वेदर यू आर स्माइलिंग ऑल द वे. नाउ आई शेयर विथ यू कुछ 10 स्टेटमेंट्स मैं आपको अभी दूंगी, एंड यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. आपको अभी डिसाइड करना है. अगर ये स्टेटमेंट, ये मोस्टली हमारे जनरल मनी से रिलेटेड ही स्टेटमेंट्स रहते हैं, जो हमारी जो डेली हम कुछ स्पेंड्स करते हैं, सेव करते हैं, उसी से रिलेटेड ये स्टेटमेंट्स है. ये जब मैं स्टेटमेंट करता हूँ तो एवरी डे या फिर एवरी मंथ मुझे कैसे फील होता है, लाइक वेदर आई एम फीलिंग स्कैर्ड, वेदर आई एम लिटिल वरीड, मैं अंडर कंट्रोल फील करता हूँ क्या, या फिर मैं स्माइलिंग ऑल द वे करता हूँ क्या. सो कैन आई स्टार्ट दो स्टेटमेंट? मैं स्टार्ट करूँ वो स्टेटमेंट सर? या यू ऑल आर रेडी? मुनीरा जी, स्टार्ट?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Then let's start. The first statement is paying every day, every month's utility bill. Whether I'm smiling, whether I'm little worried, I'm under control, या फिर मैं scared हूँ. Paying every month's utility bill. The second statement is paying current car's EMI. अगर मैंने कार ली है तो एवरी मंथ मुझे वो लोन के जो EMI चुकते करने हैं. वेदर आई एम स्कैर्ड फील करता हूँ, लिटिल वरीड है, अंडर कंट्रोल, या फिर मैं स्माइलिंग करता हूँ. The third thing is paying every month home loan installment. Paying every month home loan installment. Fourth is funding retirement. Funding retirement. Fifth is paying for kids school, kids college. Paying for kids school, kids college. Paying for credit card bill. Third is paying every month's home loan installment. Funding retirement, paying for kids school, kids college, paying credit card bills. Next is ability to handle emergency expenses. Ability to handle emergency expenses. Prepared to pay for child's wedding. Prepared to pay for child's wedding. Taking nice family vacation this year. And the last is every year payment of medical and life insurance premium. So just tell me, कितने स्टेटमेंट के लिए आप स्कैर्ड हो, कितने चीजों के लिए आप लिटिल वरीड हो, कितने के लिए आप अंडर कंट्रोल हो, एंड कितने स्टेटमेंट्स के लिए आप स्माइलिंग ऑल द वे हो. जस्ट टेल मी.
प्लीज जरा फर्स्ट वन रिपीट करिए.
The first one is paying every month's utility bill. Okay, Yuvraji. So you are all the way for the 10 statements. You are smiling, right?
There is actually not 10 statement applicable because there is no EMI, there is no housing loan, there is no kids school, college, there is no credit card bill.
Okay.
So these are not with me. So
Okay.
I have to over smile for that.
Acha. Okay.
Right.
All
And
right.
utility bill is always, you should be happy and welcome.
Right, sir.
Right.
Right.
Funding of retirement, there is a different segment which I have already worked out. So no retirement type, things in my dictionary. I am not going to retire at all.
Okay. Right.
And emergency expenses, that is a different segment which we have been putting it.
You have already shared that. I
On a regular
remember.
basis.
Yeah.
And the point number 9, sorry, we are not going to take up at least this pandemic any vacations. So
Okay.
I'm smiling for that also.
Okay. Okay.
Your question, this question, you have to reframe it. And
Okay.
medical emergency, I mean, LIC bill, that is auto it is.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Super. Actually, basically, activity का यही था, मतलब the truth is that हम क्या करते हैं पता है कि if we are very scared, no, और या फिर then we are not in control of our finance. हम बहुत डर के सब चीजों को करते हैं. And we are basically we are not running our finance, we are ruining our finance. अगर हर चीज के लिए हम अगर prepared नहीं है तो. And the next is that if you are a little worried, then you are also not in control of your fear. We are just admitting कि हम सिर्फ scareful और fearful, scared जैसा ना दिखाते नहीं है, but then ठीक है, somewhat कुछ तो है, but then still we are not in a control of our fear. So हमारा direction proper नहीं है. Now if you are मतलब smiling है, then we'll definitely.
I would like to add.
Sure, sir. Yeah, please.
I would like to add something.
Yeah.
Whenever that is scared, or you feel that fear. So, say for example, this is the utility bill, right?
Right, sir. Right.
So, I hold that in my hand. When I hold in my hand, what is my breath? How is my breath? Say for example, I'm breathing normal, and suddenly there is a different vibration in my body. This is going to create problem in my life.
Right, sir.
So you have to watch your breath, and you will come to know exactly what is happening in yourself.
Right, sir.
And there is a science actually on the breath. So when you have to pay the bill, your breath should be from the left nostrils. That's a different science.
Right, sir.
So,
absolutely.
I mean, that's a different subject altogether. So when you're giving from your Chandra Nadi, we said, when you give it from your Chandra Nadi, that is the left side. When it is active on the left side, you give, you will receive multifold. Right? If you do it in the Surya Nadi, it will go, it will not come back.
Acha. Okay.
It will not come back. So that is a different science altogether.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Nice sharing, Yuvraj ji. Thank you.
We have to be, I mean, our own.
हाँ sir, बोलिए ना.
Please tell me.
ना बोलिए.
आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे. मैंने कहा ये हमारे जो breath वाला चक्कर है ना, ये जल्दी समझ में नहीं आता है. There is a pendulum within us.
हाँ.
The many of healers you must have seen, they're using a dowsing pendulum for question answers. You don't need a dowsing pendulum. There is a pendulum which is already within you, provided you are talking to yourself. You're connecting to yourself.
Right, sir.
And then you get all the answers within.
Right, sir.
Yes, you carry on. This will be a different subject.
Basically, what my thinking is, when I see a utility bill, it shows me कि I'm alive, मैं जिंदा हूँ. Universe has given me an opportunity to pay that bill. So first of all, if I'm paying that, ना I always say a grateful and I'm always here thankful. मैं सबसे पहले वही करती हूँ, that मैं बहुत thankful रहती हूँ उस चीज के लिए कि मेरे हाथ में utility bill है and I'm paying that. It's called as arigato in and arigato out. First of all मैं वही करती हूँ. And then I'm thankful मैं इसलिए रहती हूँ कि at least universe ने मुझे जिंदा रखा, मुझे वो pay करने के लिए. तो thank you universe for giving me that opportunity to pay, even though it is a home loan या फिर car loan or whatever. तो first activity मैं वो करती हूँ. Yes, Nagraj ji, you want to share, Anirudh ji, you want to share anything, Nagendra ji?
Actually, I just wanted to know from Yuvraj ji, just about Surya and Chandra. Can you repeat, sir?
Your question. Hello.
Yes.
I'm not able to hear your question.
Yeah, actually, I have some Bluetooth connection, so I have some issue. I just wanted to know about that Chandra and Surya Nadi. What you are talking about? Just.
We can discuss off the class.
Okay, no problem.
That will be a very long subject. It will not be possible. It will disturb the whole subject actually.
Yeah. Ma'am, this is absolutely fine. I'm about that all, but 3-4 points is not applicable for me, so
Okay.
I'm comfortable in that.
Okay, no problem, sir. No problem. All right. Anyone, Munira, do you want to share anything? आपको कुछ share करना है?
नहीं, ये पूरे जो भी points है मेरे को भी applicable नहीं है. Everything.
Okay.
Loan भी नहीं है. एक utility bill के लिए बराबर है कि we are ready to pay it.
Right.
और एक मैं यहाँ ऐड करना ये चाहूंगी कि मेरे को हमारे लोगों को यहाँ फाइन बहुत ज्यादा मिलता है. We are very strict here. मगर जो उसको हम यहाँ मुखालिफा बोलते हैं या जो भी. अभी आज ही मुझे थोड़ी सी गाड़ी पार्क करने में फर्क पड़ गया तो they give us fine. And today I got it.
Okay.
I got the fine for 200 dirham. So this time मैंने ऐसी जो exercise करी, like you said, okay, thank you, whatever I got the
Right,
fine,
ma'am.
but I will get it double.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, absolutely. You should say whatever happened in life, you have to say just thank you,
Yeah.
thank you, thank you so much. There may be something different मेरे life में, कुछ blessings, कुछ opportunity आएगी आगे जाके. Yes.
और जब भी
You
मेरे
know,
पास जो भी सैलरी
here,
आती है, whatever I earn, मैं उसमें से थोड़ा हिस्सा गॉड के नाम से निकाल ही लेती हूँ.
Okay.
It is
Wow.
always every month I do it.
Okay. Wow. Super.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Mudiraji. Thank you.
मुनीरा मैडम को जो ये आज फाइन आया है 200 dirhams का, it is a blessings, ma'am. You know, government of UAE was requiring that money, and you have
Yes.
contributed to their welfare. So you should
Exactly.
be feeling blessed for this opportunity.
Yes, sir. Exactly. I thought the same thing. The same. कि अभी उनको जरूरत है बहुत. उनको बहुत जरूरत है इस वक्त अभी.
Yes, और ऊपर वाले ने Almighty Divine अल्लाह बोलिए, कोई भी जिस नाम से बुलाते हैं, तो उन्होंने आपको चुना है. You have been chosen for that. तो गाड़ी जो है वो जानबूझ के नहीं, वो करवाई गई थी आपसे. आपने नहीं करी थी, आप करवाई गई थी वो. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, the second law of abundance is about the law of seasons. Now, what is the law of season? Actually, we want the good things to come as quickly. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जो अच्छी चीजें हमारे पास तुरंत आनी चाहिए. But we are all hardwired to seek that happiness and then abundance. But are we willing to pay the price of the patience? तो हम वो पेशेंस रखना बहुत जरूरी है. क्या हम वो एक्चुअली लेते हैं क्या लाइफ में पेशेंस? बिकॉज वी स्टार्ट क्रिएट समथिंग ब्यूटिफुल इन अवर लाइफ, बट व्हेन वी डोंट सी द रिजल्ट, वी राइट अवे, वी जस्ट गिव अप. Now, think for a minute. Just we all want something gratification in our life without waiting. We expect हम कुछ करते, कुछ पैकेज दे दिया तो हमें डिलीवर तुरंत मिलना चाहिए. हम जिम में जाते हैं, then we expect something immediate result. हम जिम में जाते तो एक्सपेक्ट करते, कुछ फूड का हमने ऑर्डर लिया तो फटाक से हमारे पास आना चाहिए, ऐसे हमें मिलता है, ऐसे हम करते हैं. तो हमें वो बेसिकली कुछ अच्छा फ्रूट और अच्छा कुछ चीजें लानी चाहिए. तो हमें बेसिकली इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन में नहीं रहना चाहिए. वी हैव टू ओवरकम दैट. हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन? द फर्स्ट थिंग, अनम्यूट. ओके. Now, the first thing is that how to overcome. हमें वो instant gratification से कैसे overcome करना चाहिए? The first thing is we have to watch your urges. हमें वो हमारी urges देखनी चाहिए. To check on the email, to check on the social media, to eat. हमें कुछ sweet खाने की बहुत इच्छा होती है, तब हम क्या करते हैं, तुरंत जाते हैं दौड़ के and just लेके आते हैं. Now the first thing is that जब भी ऐसी कुछ urge आती है, then we have to write down. हमें वो सबसे पहले, अगर बहुत बार आ रही है, जो खाने की इच्छा हो रही है, कुछ करने की इच्छा हो रही है, कुछ परचेस करने की इच्छा हो रही है, तो हमें ना लिखना चाहिए, पेन में और पेपर में से लिखना चाहिए कि वो एक्चुअली क्या है वो अर्ज, और क्यों ऐसे बार बार मुझे अर्ज आ रही. The second thing is that after writing that all urges, हमें एक डिले चीज देखनी, जैसे कि पॉज वाला चीज देखना चाहिए. Instead of acting on the urges right when it arise and when it is pause, don't act right away. Just put a space between the urge and your action. आपका actions के बीच में ना हमें वो जो heart beat है वो देखना चाहिए. We have to become a very normal.
Excuse me, English please.
हाँ, yeah, sure.
Okay.
So yeah. So we have to see that कि let your heartbeat return to the normal and your breathing become a bit deeper. Then we have to become a calm down. We have to calm down whenever that urge arises जो आती है. Then we have to first just look at your breath. Heartbeat को हमें देखना चाहिए. Let it to normal and then see कि क्या होता है करके. The third thing is that then you have to take a conscious decision. If you decided to indulge a sweet, that's perfectly bad, but consciously, not just following your every whim and your every urge. Just see and decide whether that is the healthy thing for you. Whatever the decisions you are making consciously or unconsciously, और जो time to gratify your own desire, हमें देखना चाहिए और to see. The last time हमने कुछ खाया था ऐसी चीज, तो what happens to our health? जो स्वीट खाया था उसका हमारे लाइफ में, हमारी हेल्थ में कुछ बुरा असर पड़ा था क्या, ये भी देखना चाहिए. सो वी हैव टू सी that is the second law. The third law which I'm sharing with you is about a law of a right intention. Now, a lot of people will tell you that a secret of the success in life is that just to take actions and keep moving forward. But if there are the, it is it is not just a horrible advice, but it fails to take into action the power of the intention. So let's say for example there are the two people of the same skill level, and they have to, they level take, they are the same actions उनका है होता है, but yet completely they are getting the different reason. Why? क्योंकि उनका intentions अलग होता है. So for example if we strive for a success, हम कुछ हिडन मोटिव के साथ अगर हम रिवेंज करने के लिए कुछ सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हैं, then we will definitely get a different reason. हमें reasons और हमें different ही reasons मिलने वाले. So हमें intention बहुत जानने की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है. Now let's see बर्निंग की जो एक्टिविटी हम लोग ने हमें अभी की थी, कर रहे हैं हम लोग, जो बर्निंग पेपर की एक्टिविटी है, कैन एनीबडी टेल मी कि आपका एग्जैक्टली इंटेंशंस आपको क्या कराता है वो एक्टिविटी करने के बाद? कैन यू जस्ट टेल मी when we burn the paper and whatever the thoughts that we came in our mind whenever we write those later, वो exactly आपका intentions क्या कराता है आपको?
We come to know the real cause and effect. What is the thing that has happened to us? We
Right.
are able to understand that.
Right, absolutely right. So we feel sometimes very happy वो करने के बाद what are the results we get that we, and basically that process whatever we find now we it make us happy. तो हमें वो happiness भी बहुत बताता है. Now the next thing is that all of our thoughts and our behaviors are accompanied by our intentions. So ये हमारा intention जानने की हमें बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. And at the same time ना we should write down our intention statement. हमें इंटेंशन स्टेटमेंट लिखने की भी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल द वन माई if I want to I will be rid of the debt और I will no longer worry about money. अगर मैंने ऐसा सोचा, लेकिन इसके पहले I will write my intention statement that I am financially abundant, I have all the money I have. ऐसे अगर मैंने इंटेंशन स्टेटमेंट लिखे ना, देन उसका असर भी मेरे लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा फील अच्छा होगा. So just write down what is your intention statement. जब भी आप लिखते हो मनी के बारे में, तो what is your intention statement? Just एक कोई आपका अच्छा खासा intention statement जो आपको मनी के लिए फील कराता है. Anything?
My intention statement is I want to buy many properties, and I have to earn. I have must passive income I should earn.
Okay. Okay.
Through that property. That is my intention.
Intention statement. Okay. आपके लिए नागेंद्र जी, what can be your intention statement when you think of the money?
Yeah, I have some issue. Is it audible?
हाँ हाँ audible. Yeah.
Actually, what I spend, na, that multiply and come back to me in multiple. That's
Okay.
my intention while giving money or spending.
Okay. And try and recollect that intention statement in front of mirror also. जब भी आपका ये intention होगा और ये action में basically convert होगा ना, तो mirror के सामने यही चीज जब सुबह उठोगे ना, that time you can say, और loudly बोलना, और बहुत हंसी खुशी के साथ. Try and have a smile on your face and एकदम खुल के बोलना, एकदम दिल से बोलना that intention statement. So my intention statement I used to say always in front of the
Even I
mirror.
apply that I love money, money loves me.
Yeah, money loves me. Even my intention statement, I am financially abundant. मेरा ये हमेशा intention statement रहता है कि मुझे हमेशा चाहिए financially abundant. हाँ sir, युगराज जी, what is your intention statement?
Completely financially free.
Yes.
Multi-millionaire. That's
Right.
the way it comes automatically. Maybe 5 to 7 times that multi it comes,
Multiple.
and then I
Yes.
say I am multi-millionaire.
Absolutely.
I'm financially abundant.
Right. Yes. What about you, Manuri ji?
That's what I said.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Manuji, can you just tell me what is your intention statement when you think about the money?
About money. That the sentence will say no. I
First,
what to say? I love money.
okay.
That's a thing. That's a thing.
Okay, you love money. You can say like this.
Money comes to me easily. Also, I'll used to say. And
Right.
regarding business, I'll focus and say,
Okay.
whatever I think I should get. Likewise.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Great. Okay. Try and speak in front of the mirror for 5 times at least. जो भी money comes to me easily. I'm feeling prosperous. I'm feeling rich. Okay. Okay. Now there is another law is known as the law of reciprocity, the practice of exchanging things with others with a mutual benefit. Now the pure intention is the important, but even it's a good intention may yield to pure result if when it is combined with the wrong type of action. So when you combine that the positive intention with the strategic and leverage action, the results could blow your mind in a good way. So when attempting to build a better life for yourself and when you attract a more abundance, it is important for you to ask yourself a simple questions before you get every day. That is, how can I create a win-win situation today? मुझे खुद को पूछना बहुत जरूरी है कि मैं किस तरह से हाउ कैन आई क्रिएट दैट विन विन सिचुएशंस में खुद के लिए कैसे क्रिएट कर पाता हूँ. नाउ गिव the first point is a give, so you shall receive. Now the quickest way is to prosper in your life is to that help other to prosper. Now इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम हमेशा पैसे से ही उसको कुछ शेयरिंग करें, लेकिन बट यू कैन ऑल्सो शेयर दैट, यू कैन ट्रांसफर योर नॉलेज. आप उसको इंस्पिरेशन दे सकते हो, आप उसको कुछ स्किल है आपको पास, वॉट एवर यू हैव, आपको जो चीज लाइफ में अच्छी हो मिलती है तो आप किसी के साथ थोड़ी बहुत शेयर करोगे, देन ऑल्सो आपका आपके लाइफ में आपकी प्रॉस्पेरिटी, आपका अबंडेंस हो जाएगा. So for example, when you attend such kind of workshop, any webinar, you can tell to your friend because you are getting benefited from that webinar, not this but then any webinar or any seminar or whatever the book. जो भी आप बुक पढ़ोगे, सेमिनार अटेंड करोगे, वेबिनार अटेंड करोगे, कोई कोट्स अच्छा भी लिखोगे या फिर अफर्मेशन स्टेटमेंट्स भी आप खुद के पढ़ते हो, या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल मिरर का टेक्निक, इफ इट डेफिनेटली बेनिफिटेड टू यू देन यू कैन टेल टू योर फ्रेंड, एंड इस तरह से भी लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा अबंडेंस आता है. नाउ the next law is about is there is a law of a vibration. लॉ ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस क्या बताता है मुझे? एवरीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज अ मेड अप ऑफ द एनर्जी. ये जो ट्री है, देयर इज अ ट्री, देयर इज अ एयर, देयर इज अ ब्रेथ, देयर इज अ कार, देयर इज अ टेबल, इवन अ स्मार्टफोन, इवन द एनिमल्स, डॉग, कैट, स्क्विरल, व्हाटएवर जो भी है आपके लाइफ में, दैट इज अ मेड अप ऑफ द एनर्जी. Your thought, your energies which is energized into the vibration. So when you change your vibrations, it will definitely change your life. So जब भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप कुछ लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा करना चाहते हो, then if you spend all your time and working hard towards your goal, but if you do not change your vibration, आपको पता है कि आपको गोल सारे क्रिएट करने, आपको कंप्लीट करने, लेकिन आपको वो चाहने के लिए, वो गोल कंप्लीट करने के लिए अगर आपने प्रॉपर वाइब्रेशन, प्रॉपर एनर्जी अगर आपने आपके लाइफ में नहीं की, देन डेफिनेटली वो दैट गोल इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. सो मैं इसके लिए आपके साथ ना एक स्टोरी शेयर कर रही हूँ. दिस स्टोरी वाज इयर्स हैपन अबाउट द साइंटिस्ट ने एक बास्केटबॉल टीम प्लेयर्स के साथ ना ये स्टोरी की थी. So what happened? There was a study conducted by Mr. Dr. Biasito and in the University of the Chicago. Now what that person did, he made a group. उसने 3 अलग-अलग बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर्स के उसने ग्रुप्स बनाए एंड उनको क्या बोला कि यू हैव टू लाइक वो बास्केटबॉल की आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, आपको जो थ्रो करना है ना वो उसकी आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. नाउ दे वर सेपरेटेड इनटू 3 ग्रुप्स एंड द फर्स्ट ग्रुप डिड नथिंग. उन्होंने फर्स्ट ग्रुप को बोला था कि नहीं, यू डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग. द सेकेंड ग्रुप ने उनको बोला कि यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू डूइंग दैट शूटिंग का प्रैक्टिस. एंड द थर्ड ग्रुप जो है ना, उनको बोला था कि वाइब्रेशंस करो, खुद को विजुअलाइज करो एंड वो बास्केटबॉल का ये करो, रादर देन प्लेइंग. आप सिर्फ थ्रो मत करो, लेकिन वो एनर्जी खुद के ऊपर फील करो एंड आंख बंद कर करके एवरी डे कंटिन्यूअसली यू डू दैट विजुअलाइजेशंस वाला थिंग ना। वो विजुअलाइजेशन थिंग से उनको ये चीज पता चल गई कि एंड आफ्टर द 30 days इन्होंने जब देखा कि एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है,
Sorry,
द
one
फर्स्ट
second.
या
The third theme, what they said, can you say in English?
yeah, the third group practice did during to the visualization wala things, and exactly during using the visualization, like आँख बंद करके they used to see every day that the ball is throwing, वो जो गोल रहता था ना बास्केटबॉल का, उसमें हमेशा जाता था वो बॉल, ऐसे उन्होंने visualize every day practice करके they did that.
Like they should visualize
Yeah.
like how they
Every day.
play.
Yeah, how they
Playing
play.
practice.
Rather than doing the practice on pitch, they just visualize this thing in their mind. So
Okay.
after 30 days, what happened that the first group which they didn't do anything, so कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, there was no improvement. The second group का improvement and the third group team का improvement, which was exactly same था, because the third group did the visualization वाला thing and the second group वाला जिन्होंने practice किया था. तो एग्जैक्टली यही होता है, वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग द विजुअलाइजेशन वाला थिंग जो हम हमेशा करते हैं ना, एंड practice that if you are doing in your daily life that visualization वाला thing, and अगर वो practice भी करते हैं तो exactly growth वैसे का वैसा ही हमारा होता है. तो हमें वो हमेशा हमारे लाइफ में हमें देखना चाहिए कि आंख बंद करके एटलीस्ट फॉर 5 minutes का हमें डेली विजुअलाइजेशन मनी माइंडसेट का और करना चाहिए. दैट इज वी हैव टू डू. नाउ
And one thing, one second. You said that visualization that will be easy, and
Yes.
how to rise at vibration? What is that thing?
Vibration is something called as the energy. We have to close your eyes. Right now we are doing that visualization wala thing, Manuri ji. We are doing for a 10 minutes का हम एक visualization का activity we are doing now. अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ वो एनर्जी एंड वाइब्रेशन हाउ इट कम्स इन योर माइंड व्हेन यू आजू बाजू की कुछ भी चीजें नहीं करेंगे एंड जस्ट सिट काम एंड रिलैक्स फॉर द 10 to 15 minutes आंख बंद करके, यू विल कम टू नो दैट व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली चेंज विल हैपन इन योर लाइफ. वी विल डू दैट इन क्विकली. ओके सो आप मुझे सब रिलैक्स होते हो तो मुझे बताओ. जस्ट 2 minutes आप रिलैक्स हो जाओ. घर वालों को डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब. If you want water, you can drink water. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll back. अभी पानी पी के आता हूँ. 2 minutes.
Normally, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Vibrations. No, I could not understand what it is. Vibration is with the physics. I know vibration is sound waves or something like that. Relating with the law of attraction, what is vibration? And how we can match with people are saying, I have heard of we have to rise a vibration. If we want money, we have to rise a vibration with money. Likewise, people will say, but I could not understand what that how to match, what is that frequency, everything.
Okay, I'll tell you how to. Just we'll do that quickly visualization wala thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Just let me know if you all are ready. Then we'll do that quick visualization thing. Right. Okay. Sure. Okay. So everyone is ready. We'll start.
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Cool. Now, find yourself a quiet place with no disturbance. Sit down and relax. Sit down and relax. Everyone close your eyes. Everyone close your eyes. back straight, relax. Relax your muscles, body. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Broaden your shoulder. Broaden your shoulder. Keep your neck straight. Chin up. Inhale, exhale. Whenever you are inhaling, you are taking positive vibes inside. And whenever you are exhaling, you are throwing negative vibes out. Let's do it once again. Inhale, exhale. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, exhale. Relax your body when you are taking those deep breaths. Bring all your attention to your breath. Now, come up with an amount of money in your mind that you want. Come up with an amount of money in your mind that you want. Have a clear picture of that number in your mind. Have a clear picture of that number in your mind. See that number in your mind is showing up in your bank account. See that number in your mind is showing up in your bank account. Focus on your feeling. Focus on your feeling. You feel relaxed. You feel relaxed. You feel excited. You feel excited. You feel motivated. You feel motivated. You feel comfortable. You feel comfortable. Feel the happiness. Feel the happiness. Feel the happiness in your heart when you saw a lot of money in your bank account. You are the one chosen by universe. Feel the joy in your body. Feel the joy in your body, in your brain. Feel the joy in your stomach, in every part, in every cell. The more love you have, the more joy you have, then there is no negativity. Close all the negative doors of your negativity. Close all the doors of your negativity. Your life is full of abundance. Your life is full of abundance. Your life is full of joy. Whatever you are doing, wherever you are doing, with more liveliness, more loveliness, you are abundant. You are money fragrance. Love this money. Love this beauty of money. You can touch money. You can touch money. You can do whatever you want. You have all the power, all the energy. You are magic to do whatever you want in your life. Each day is so much bigger, calmer. The more you bless, the more you are blessed with the money. The more you bless, the more you are blessed with money. Each second, each day, each month, each year, you are more powerful. You are more powerful. I am abundant now in all areas of my life. You are abundant now in all areas of your life. Now, say one by one these affirmations in your mind. Money always flows to me easily. Money always flows to me easily. Money always flows to me frequently. Money always flows to me frequently. I am money magnet. I am money magnet. My life is full of abundance. My life is full of abundance. I love money. I love money. I am financially abundant. I am financially abundant. I welcome money into my life. I welcome money into my life. I have a power to attract wealth. I have a power to attract wealth. Every day is a wealthy day. Every day is a wealthy day. Abundance is my divine birthright. Abundance is my divine birthright. Universe always delivers the wealth that I want. Universe always delivers the wealth that I want. I am open to receive all opportunities that universe send me. I am open to receive all opportunities that universe sends me. I deserve good life. I deserve good life. I am passionate about building wealth. I am passionate about building wealth. It feels so good to have money flows in my bank account. It feels so good to have money flows in my bank account. It feels so good to have money flows in my bank account. Money is forever circulating freely in my life. Money is forever circulating freely in my life, and there is always divine surplus. There is always divine surplus. I'm prospering every day. I'm prospering every day. I'm growing in wealth. I'm growing in wealth and in wisdom every day. I'm growing in wealth and in wisdom every day. Every day my wealth is multiplying. Every day my wealth is multiplying. I'm advancing, growing, moving. I'm advancing, growing, and moving forward. Financial. Every day my wealth is multiplying. Every day my wealth is multiplying. Now say thank you. Now say thank you. Now say thank you and appreciate the wealth in your life. Now say thank you and appreciate the wealth in your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, I'm grateful for all this. Thank you, I'm grateful for all this. Trust the universe is here for you to support your all wishes. Trust the universe that is here for you to support your all wishes. And slowly and calmly, you can open your eyes. Just open your eyes and relax. Just open your eyes and relax. Be in this moment. Enjoy this moment. Just be into this moment. Enjoy this moment. Slowly and calmly, you can open your eyes. Just relax, relax, relax. Yes. सब लोग आ सकते हैं. Can everyone come live? So हम every day 5 minutes का ऐसा अलग अलग visualization every day आँख बंद करके we'll do every day at least for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll do every day. Okay, Yuvraj ji. Okay. 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 So how you feel, Yuvraj ji?
Experience was really, really into the depth of my core of my heart, rather I should say, and lost into the commands, which were like, it was divinely flowing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Yuvraj ji. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
very
much.
much. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Nagendra ji. What about you?
Very good. Really amazing. Actually,
आप ऐसे
I
करते
like,
हो every day you do
yes,
this such kind of visualizations or meditations
yes,
and
perfect.
affirmations. Yes. Okay. Yes, Madhuri ji, you were not there, right? Yeah, Madhuri ji, you're there.
You have a divine voice.
Okay.
Brought us somewhere. Very good meditation here.
Yes, this is the kind of vibrations, Madhuri ji.
Yeah.
Whenever you acquire, whenever you close your eyes and when you think about those movements, ना वो vibration अपने आप आती है. You don't have to आपको खींचना नहीं पड़ता. You don't have to pull नहीं करना पड़ता है. Whenever you think of that, ना my beautiful life, मेरी लाइफ आगे जाके बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है. फीलिंग एंड इंटेंशंस के साथ करोगे ना वो अपने आप वाइब्रेशंस आ जाएगी. That.
Okay.
And yeah, sir.
Our Madam Manori ji requires to understand the vibration, So
Yeah.
If I have to give her one example, what exactly is vibration? So, and tomorrow are we having our class or day after tomorrow? Yashashree ma'am?
Huh, sir? Yeah.
Tomorrow we have our class?
Yes. Yeah, we have class. Why, sir?
Sunday.
No, I just wanted to know because this example which I am
Tomorrow is
sharing
Sunday.
for Manori ma'am has to bring some
I got
money
it, sir.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got your point,
and
sir.
she and now when you just take that money and just give it to Yugraj Kalra, you check your vibration whether you're feeling happy or you're feeling
Yes.
little holding. So that is the vibration.
Yes,
You
sir.
even
Absolutely.
open eyes, you'll come to know what exactly is the vibrations.
Sir, you repeat me, sir, once again.
So tomorrow you get me 1 lakh rupees
Okay.
and just give it to me. No question asked.
Okay.
Why? And then you see how you felt it. If you felt it very happy, that's the happy vibration. If you felt it holding, that
Okay.
is a holding vibration. That is the money vibration, holding and releasing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, sir. So yes, that was the last thing, sir. So can I give you some letter writing के लिए? Can I give you one statement? कुछ दे दूँ?
Yeah.
Same. Yeah. Give me a second.
Yes, please.
Yes. Give me a second. Murina ji, you want to share something?
No, but I also felt very well. And
Okay.
ऐसा हुआ था कि एकदम deep में चली गई हूँ.
हाँ.
And something is happening
Okay. Good.
in my mind.
Wow. Okay, I'm sharing that. One second. Yes. So tomorrow's statement is I'm open to receive money in any form. I'm open to receive money in any form.
I am or I am not?
I'm not, sorry, I'm not open to receive money in any form.
And I have another doubt.
Yeah.
Vibration with money, it is okay. And if with some persons will not be having the good vibration. For example, if we are going for a meeting, if we see some people will not be comfortable with them, or will not talk openly with them. Likewise, no, that means that our frequency and their frequency is not matching. Likewise, but if we want anything from them, for example, a business or something like that, how it can be handled?
That you say once again. Once again, can you say it?
If vibration with one person is not good, and if I say something, he's taking wrongly, or if he says something, I'm taking wrongly. Likewise, it goes. The relationship goes. With the business relationship, I'm asking. But for any business transaction or something like that, if we want to talk with them properly, we should make them as friends. What we should do? Can you understand now?
Okay, you want to say something to that person, but he's not listening, right?
That not listening. What to say? Our vibrations are not matched. If we see a new person in bus or train, if we are talking properly with them, we can make friend with them easy. No, with some people we cannot make it easily.
Okay.
But in that case, if I want a business with them, what should I do? I'm asking.
Don't discuss ना, or don't say whatever you want to say. आप उनको force मत करो ना, जो भी whatever you want to say. You keep it for yourself and just listening whatever they want to say. आप just listening करो. But then उसके ऊपर you don't act on that. आप act मत करो उसके ऊपर.
No, can we change that vibration? I'm asking.
No, आप उनको नहीं change कर सकते. You can't change their vibration. Whatever their vibrations, keep it to them. But उनको attract मत करो. उनके vibrations को don't attract to yourself.
English, can you say in English?
Okay. So whatever you want to say to that person ना, आपको जो भी उनको बोलना है ना, you don't attract their vibrations to your vibrations, right? And whatever they are saying to you about money or whatever the myth they are having in their mind ना, just listen to them, but don't act on their myth or their whatever that उनका जो conversations है उसके ऊपर.
No, what I'm asking is, if vibrations are not matching, will it can be matched in future, or it can never happen?
No, it will not happen.
I like to add and then move from this program. Yeah.
Okay.
See, there is a formula called SOS.
Okay.
First S is stop, O is observe, and next S is shift. So you stop, you observe the gentleman, and you will shift your thought process for that person, he or she. Whatever you're thinking, you have to shift that, change that. You know, I like this person. he is going to give or she is going to give me a wonderful business today. Vibration
Okay.
is under your control. You can shift the vibration of anybody, provided you are actually using this SOS formula.
Okay. Okay.
You have to be just aware at that moment. You know, if you carry on the same thought which you carried before the meeting, before the discussion, it will continue like that. But as that thought comes, you have to shift that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I hope I think I made little clearance to you, right?
Okay. We have to.
But we
I hope
can't
things are clear.
change their thoughts, no? Right, sir? No, but we can't change their thoughts or their myths. So we just have to observe, we just have to listen to them and say, yes, okay. Yeah.
Over a period of time, it will change for sure.
Yeah.
Our intention should remain. You know, yes. Otherwise, you know, I cannot change anybody. I have to change myself.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I should think positively regarding that person.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
And,
Thank you.
Thank you, Yashashree ma'am. I will be leaving the session right
sir.
now.
Yeah, thank you, Raji. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank
Thank you, Shishri ma'am. Bye. Good
Thank
night,
you.
everybody.
Thank you. Yeah. And
So
good
yes,
night.
just can you one person come live and share about today's experiences, how what they feel, Manuriji? Yeah.
Live.
Yeah.
Once again.
Yeah.
Yes.
I usually express my vibrations in Hindi. So sometimes it becomes very difficult for me. I speak English, but then sometimes, try to tell a person in continuous English now, what happens basically, I can't express my emotions in English in such a very powerful way. So I used to express in Hindi. So usually मैं हिंदी में ही conduct करती हूँ ना webinar. Usually express, and I know I have like that quality in myself ki used to express in Hindi very powerfully and very stressfully. Sometimes that happens. That is the only thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Really, I can
The
say,
same is here.
Yeah.
The same is here also.
Okay. You will feel comfortable with that. The same way I feel comfortable with Tamil. So only if I say something in English, when it is emotional, it comes only in Tamil. I convert it to English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Mudiraji, you can come live.
Yeah.
So कभी-कभी जज्बात हिंदी में जाया करना बहुत जरूरी होता है rather than express in English.
नहीं हो
I don't know
जाता है.
why, but I'm more comfortable in expressing in Hindi sometimes, and I don't know, it matches my vibrations to that person, and I feel like I'm very comfortable with that person. That is the only.
I thought of going for Hindi class. Okay, we should learn Hindi.
Actually, Manoj, you know what happened? The previous session we used to conduct in English only. Then the participants came and then they told me, "Ma'am, please don't express your thoughts in English. We don't understand. सब ऊपर से चला जाता." Then we started conducting in I and Saurabh in Hindi. So Hindi इतना हो गया है. So always Hindi हो जाता है.
मगर मैं भी कंफर्टेबल हिंदी से जो जब तुम हिंदी में बोलते तो it feels very nice.
Yeah.
ऐसा टचिंग लगता है. It's touching.
Yeah.
Right.
Few things I can understand. That's what
I'll try to match both the things. That is okay for Madhuri ji and for Mudira ji also. But let's see how it goes.
Okay, the class was very nice. Usually I'll start from office by 8 o'clock only. I'll reach my home by 8:15. Tomorrow I'll attend by 8.
Yeah. Please be there so that we can able to complete in 9:15. No, so सबका everything हो जाए सब कुछ. So and do that activity, Manuri. Yeah, do that activity regularly, like writing a letter.
Okay.
That activity of writing a letter, लिखने का, and that mirror exercise. So it is a very powerful exercise, as I can say. I used to when I started that exercise, I see myself in front of the mirror, and it is so powerful. Now when I see myself smiling in front of the mirror, looking at myself, having a note of that bundle in my. Acha, okay. By the way, tomorrow I'll share that. We will have a money date actually. You all have to wear
Okay.
that red dress and everything. You have to come live, and that will do that activity. It's very beautiful money date we used to do. Like एक money
Okay.
date करते
Okay.
हैं मुनीरा जी. And money के साथ actually proper date होता है. जैसे हम dating पे जाते हैं ना, perfume वर्फ्यूम लेकर आके and then used to dress up nicely. वैसे हम एक date करने वाले हैं money के साथ. We'll do that. Last day में होगा वो. That tomorrow I'll share that.
But tomorrow में
Okay.
7:30 को I will leave. It's not 9 o'clock. Here is 7:30. There is 9 o'clock.
अच्छा अच्छा okay. There is a 9 o'clock. Okay. कल डेट नहीं है, लास्ट डे में डेट होगी 8.
हाँ, no problem. क्योंकि यहाँ 1.5 घंटे का फर्क है ना, 1.5.
हाँ हाँ. So
hours.
8 o'clock
हाँ,
को ही
difference is
everyday
there.
lectures and
Yes.
Do you have that Think and Grow Rich movie with you? Movie.
हाँ
Do you
हाँ.
have that?
Movie. I
Secret
have you
movie. I
actually.
have. Yeah.
अच्छा, no, I too don't have. You want that book or what? Think and Grow Rich.
Movie. Book I have. Movie I am not able
अच्छा,
to
no, I
download.
don't have a book. अच्छा अच्छा. It is
If
there
you
on
can
YouTube?
get it, you can.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, sure,
actually,
sure.
the
Okay.
old version only we are getting in YouTube. But the new version, like the same secret movie, they have made with the Think and Grow Rich.
हाँ, okay. I'll
Uh,
find out if
you-
I have. I'll ask another my group of my then I will share. अच्छा, there is a kids session also going on tomorrow for the free workshop. So if how old your daughter is? Oh, you have daughter or son?
My son is 7 years old.
अच्छा 7 years. Okay.
7.
Tomorrow session is for actually teenagers from the 10 to 18 years. का there was free workshop tomorrow we are conducting. Okay, next time
For
if
what?
it is there, I'll call you. I'll definitely.
कितने बजे का 18 years तक का?
10 से लेके 10 to 18 years का. From tomorrow it is 1 to 1:30 2:30.
For the same thing?
No, not for same thing. That is kids workshop which is going on tomorrow.
Okay.
When you are planning for sales, NLP sales.
That I had to discuss with Saurabh. NLP
Can you
also
please
there.
send
No, what I'm finding difficult with the marketing. That
Acha.
how to convert the
What do you exactly find difficult?
what is
is
the
that
difficult
exactly?
is I should understand the client and I should talk with them emotionally. Like no emotional selling, they'll say no. Likewise, and what are the I have learned NLP. I'm
Okay.
NLP only.
Okay.
How to use that strategies in business? I don't know. That
Acha.
simply like metaphysics, everything I can understand. I'm applying with relationship and everywhere. But regarding with the business and making the orders, I have a doubt.
Acha. Now we will share with you if it is there because mostly second, third week there might be kids session and this NLP sessions might be happen. So if it is there, I'll share definitely with you. Yes.
Okay.
All right. Chalo. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow
you.
sharp at 8 o'clock. Yes.
Okay,
Till then,
okay.
do exercise and then share
Where is
also.
Sharma sir today?
Huh?
Where is
Sharma sir is busy in shifting actually.
Okay.
Yeah, he's busy in shifting. So he told me that you do that 4 दिन वाला तुम्ही लेना. That I might have busy somewhere else. So,
Okay.
we'll meet you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, bye. Good
Yeah.
night.
Bye. Take care. Good night. Bye.